I'm Linda from Play Piano Chords Today. In order to become a good improviser, you have to be very comfortable with chords and scales. If you think of chords and scales as notes, they're more complex than they need to be. If you think of chords and scales as shapes, then you start to think like an improviser. We start with a major chord triad in all 12 keys, and then we break up that circle of fifths into groups of 3, because 3 is a lot easier to learn than 12. And, added bonus, the 3 chords in each group have the same shape. And this is key to learning the chords, the sevenths, the pentascales, and eventually the scales. When you think about it, a pentascale is 5 notes. And 5 notes is only 2 notes away from a triad. So once you know your triads, pentascales, you add a couple of notes. And when you look at the Ionian or major scale, the one that we use the most, it's only 2 notes away from a pentascale. Learn the shapes of the chords and the triads. As you play around with them, those shapes become associated with a sound. Soon, you will hear a sound, the shape will form in your hand, and you can improvise with exactly what you hear in your head. I mean, isn't that what it's all about? We want to hear it and have it come out of our fingers magically. Well, it's not magic, it's shapes.